Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I package and ship orders. I'm pretty new still, but I've shipped about 20 or so orders this way. It's been the fastest, easiest, most cost efficient, and most importantly, oh God, I don't know why I can't do 4 fingers. People have gotten their orders fast, so we got this fast shipping over here. I'm not playing no games. Let's get into it. If this video is helpful for you, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment below, send it to a friend who might find it helpful, and hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss a post. Here's my setup. As you can see, I do not have a desk right now, y'all. So this is what I have to do, put it on my kitchen counter. I got one order yesterday evening, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack that up. I don't have a set schedule of when I package and ship. I only opened up for 2 weekends out of the month of August. So this past weekend, I got orders on Friday night. I opened the store up at 7 p.m. People ordered and I went ahead and packed everything up and dropped it off at the post office on Saturday, and people are getting their orders either today or the latest is Wednesday. So out of state and in-state orders are getting there within like 3 days. So that's probably gonna be my schedule, Monday through Friday, packaging, dropping off things, and then if anyone orders on Friday night, dropping them off on Saturday, taking a break on Sunday, and then getting back to it. The first thing I'm gonna do here is go into Shopify, and then I'm gonna go to my orders tab. I'm trying to be careful that I don't show anyone's information here. Once you get to your orders tab, I have one unfulfilled order right here. It's gonna say unfulfilled, so I'm gonna click on that. And once you get to the screen, I like to put packing slips into my packages. So you're gonna go to mark as fulfilled. Once you get to the order, you're gonna click on print packing slip. You have the packing slip here. I'm gonna go ahead and click print. While that's printing, if you ever have a lot of orders, which when I did my pre-orders, I had like 14. So I went into Shopify and I went ahead and printed all the packing slips and then just lay them out, see what items that people ordered, and then pull the items and put them on top of each slip. So I'm gonna show y'all kind of a mini version of that since I only have one order. Okay, so I have my packing slip here. This person ordered the Boss Lady tracksuit in large, extra large, in orange. Let me take y'all to my sophisticated inventory system over here. Boom. Ordered the Boss Lady tracksuit. Yes, it is super disorganized, but look, it is what it is at this point. We upgrade when we can upgrade, and that's on period. While I dig through this bag, I'll just place it on top of the packing slip. I have all my mailers up here, and for y'all's reference, it's a set, and I'm using a 14 by 18 mailer. This is about how big it is, and this is how big the set is. So 14 by 18 is what fits this. All right, so now that I pulled the item, I'm gonna start packing it. Let me tell y'all something. I ordered a stamp, so this is ink on this mailer, and I don't know if it was the ink or what, but it just does not dry. Like, this is from me stamping it probably like 2 to 3 weeks ago, and it'll rub off. I'm gonna have to rub this off. That's what I've been doing with all the mailers, because I did it for every single mailer I had. I put in the item first. And then I take the packing slip and I fold it in half. This is just me. You ain't gotta do all that, but I do. Put that in. And then I have these thank you cards. These are from VISTAPRINT, and it has a little message on the back, which I won't show y'all because my customers have been enjoying the message, and there's a discount code back there. So I put those in. And then I put in a few business cards, which those are also from VISTAPRINT. I just grab a handful. I usually put like 3. And these also have a discount on the back that I'm not gonna show y'all. Just order from me and you'll see it. And then I put those in on top of the thank you card. Now, these are from, I think I got these from Amazon, but like I said, they're 14 by 18 poly mailers for sets. And then for t-shirts, I do 9 by 12. So go ahead, this is packaged. You are packaging multiple orders. One thing that I like to do, I write the order number on each poly mailer. This will be important when you're shipping your labels, so you don't get anything mixed up. And whenever you do import your orders from Shopify, you're able to just see, okay, this order is gonna be 1020, so this is the label for that. 1019 is the label for that. Either put the name of the customer or the order number. I just do the order number, that's the easiest. So this one is number 1020. I don't have to wonder, is this the right order? Am I shipping this to the right person? Realistically, you would put this on the front of the package, but I ain't gonna cap. I forgot to mention that, and that's a really important thing that you should know. I already put the label on, so make sure you put it on the front. You can cover it up with the label. It looks more clean and professional that way. Now that everything's packaged up, I'm gonna go to the app section on Shopify, and I use Pirate Ship. I was comparing prices between Pirate Ship and Shopify, and if anyone's wondering, Pirate Ship is a few cents cheaper, probably like 30 cents. And whatever, 30 cents is 30 cents, okay? Pirate Ship is an app that you can download. It's free to use. You just pay for the shipping labels. So I clicked on ship and then click on import from Shopify. So the order came up and I'm gonna click on get rates. And once I click on get rates, I have a shipping scale here. So this shipping scale is from Accutech, and I don't even know if they sell this exact one. It's probably like a newer version, but if you go on Amazon, it's one of the top results. It only cost me like $15 when I bought it, I think. I don't know. It's been years. I turned it on, and then usually at the zeroed out, I do that anyway just to make sure. And then I lift this up sometimes, depending on the size of the package, to make sure it gets it. I'm gonna go ahead and place the package. And as you can see, the set is about 1 pound and 2 ounces. I've already been shipping these sets, so it kind of gives you an idea. But just so y'all can see how to do this, I'm gonna say don't use a save package. And it's a poly mailer, so I'm gonna select envelope. You should put the length first. So the length is 18 inches and the width is 14. And then you're gonna put in the weight. So it's 1 pound. And now it's saying 2.3 ounces. It won't make a difference, honestly. And you can add signature confirmation, which I do that for orders over $100. I have insurance on all of my orders, which this is gonna be priority mail, so it's gonna have $100 insurance included, but just so y'all can see, the max for any package that's not priority is $50. And then I'm gonna get the rates. So you see it's $100, and then this is gonna cost me $7.64 versus $8.25 at retail. If you're ever wondering how to actually set up the shipping prices in Shopify, I'm doing mine right now based on the item weight. I don't have that many products, so I weight each product, type, and put in the weight in the product, which you can do that in Shopify. Whenever people order, I already have my prices set up based on the shipping rates and Pirate Ship, and the orders are automatically calculating the weight. Right now, anything under 1 pound goes with first class. That's USPS right now. And then anything over 1 pound or at least 1 pound is gonna be priority. So I base everything off of that. I factor in the price of the shipping supply, so the mailer and that kind of thing that goes into shipping. You can add money onto the account. You don't have to. Like when I first started, I was just paying per label versus putting like $10, $15 on my account. It made more sense to have it on my account already. It's gonna take $7.64, and I'm just gonna purchase a label, which I just remembered I forgot to put the label paper in. This is the label paper. Usually it would have 2 labels on here, but I used 1, and I'm not gonna just waste the whole sheet. So you can get 2 labels out of 1 sheet. These are from Amazon. I'll link those below. If you are using the second label on the sheet, you're gonna put it face down and have the piece with the label on it facing you. So this part is facing me, the piece that I actually wanted to have printed on. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go back to Pirate Ship and I'm gonna buy the label. As soon as you purchase the label on Pirate Ship, it's gonna go through Shopify and send the customer a text or an email with their tracking number and say the order shipped. Don't worry about going and doing anything manual. Everything is taken care of. You can set it up for Pirate Ship to send them emails, but I like my Shopify emails because they have my colors and everything, which that's the default. So you don't have to worry about setting any of that up either. Here, we're gonna print the label. I never changed any of these settings, so this is the default. 2 shipping labels per page, 8.5 by 11. We're printing the label, and this is gonna be priority mail 3 days. The label is now printed, and I have to go to this bag and wipe off this ink. I'm not gonna show y'all that part, but realistically, I would wipe the ink off or have the clean poly mailer, place the label right on front, and then I drop it off at the post office inside. I don't drop it off in the blue boxes because I'm paranoid and I don't want no situation where someone could break into the thing or they don't check it in time or whatever. I like to make sure it's inside the building, okay? And usually most post offices are open 24 hours for you to go and drop your packages off. I recommend doing that just for safety reasons. Just drop it off in the building. I don't know if it makes a difference, but when I drop it off in the building, especially on a Saturday, they go on and start scanning it like Saturday night or Sunday. So people that ordered on like Friday, they get their orders by Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday at the latest. That's how I package and ship orders. This is going to a happy customer. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, give it a big thumbs up, share with a friend, comment below some ways that you package and ship, something that might help others. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications. I will talk to y'all soon. Wishing you much success in your businesses. See how this looks.